Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the calm before the storm. Are you ready for action? Are you ready for elevation? Are you ready for your moment? Not only in the sun, but to shine and stay elevated onto your throne. I know you are. Before the storm of blessings, there's always a calm. There's always a confusion of what's happening, what's going on. Is everything working for my benefit? Everything's working out for your benefit, to your own good, and you're right on track. I breathe, live, and grow the light within me. I do one thing at a time and focus on the present moment. I cast off doubts, all fear dissipates, and I find a peace in my being that cannot be disrupted because you've done the work. Now all we have to do is patiently wait, and our time is coming. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.